Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I said before, if you have any question about me, you can ask and comment below. So here is one of your comments. How I became an army while doing my makeup. Let's get started. How did I become an army? I think it was 2015 or 2016 when I first heard about BTS. You know, I'm crazy about music and I listen to it every single day. The first BTS song I heard was Fire and I love it. So I searched more and quickly fell in love. They were different and amazing. Every song has a unique story, not just a love song. First member that I noticed was Jimin. Now I can't choose. I love all of them. I became so obsessed with them, their songs, their music videos, their behavior, and of course, they are really handsome. I remember staying up until 7 a.m. to watch their performance at Billboard Music Awards or American Music Awards or Grammy. I was really excited. This is how I became an army. And I believe I find BTS when I really needed them because they actually saved me. And I can't say what is my favorite song. I really can't choose. I love all of them. I know all the armies have a specific story about how they became an army, but here is mine, and I'm really happy about that. It means a lot to me, honestly. And I'm really proud of myself that I'm one of the armies. It's really deep for me, I think. When I say they saved me, I'm actually honest with you, they really saved me. And it has a really long story. Alright, my makeup is done. I explain everything, I think. So I hope you really enjoy it. Yeah, today everything was purple. My dress, my makeup, my nails. Because purple is really special for armies. You know that. I don't need to explain anything. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. I'm really waiting for your questions. Thanks a lot for all your support. It means a lot to me. See you next time.